Yeah, hello. Hi, good morning, everyone. Can you see my screen, guys? Can anyone confirm? Am I audible first thing?
We can see your screen.
Yes, I can see your screen. You're audible.
Okay, sure. No issues. Yeah. Okay, thank you for confirmation. So in last session, we had discussed about how to trigger the backup for virtual machine. Okay, let us go and verify whether the VM backup is completed or not. Okay, VM backup is completed or not. Now just go to recovery service vault, my disaster recovery service. Okay, yeah. Now go to backup jobs. Okay, there is a one option, backup jobs. Okay, see, this is the virtual machine backup. Okay, virtual machine backup. It's completed. Totally, how much time it has taken is, see, 1 hour 56 minutes. So as per Indian time, yeah, as per standard, midnight 12 o'clock, exactly 12 hours 01 minute, backup has triggered, and to complete this backup, it has taken 1 hour 56.27 seconds. Okay, so it has taken long time. Okay, yeah. Now what I will do now, go and verify. See, this is the virtual machine. Okay, keep it in your mind. This virtual machine which has one OS disk, other one is what? One data disk with a 4 GB. Okay, now completely I am going to remove this virtual machine. Okay, assume that my VM got corrupted or something happened. Okay, delete it. Okay, I am totally deleting. Yeah, delete it. Yeah, deletion is in progress. Okay, now go and refresh. Refresh. Yeah, it's gone. So there is no VM. Okay, at this moment. Assume that existing VM is corrupted, or what we can say, due to some issues, we have removed it. Now, will I able to restore it back as I have the backup? Yes. So how can you do that? Now navigate to, okay, navigate to recovery service vault. Sorry. Yeah, disaster recovery service vault. Okay. So here we have what? Backup items. Okay, see, so this is the one, Azure Virtual Machine, Azure Virtual Machine. Now click on it. Okay, so this is the VM. It was success midnight 12 o'clock. Now click on view details. So in the menu we have what? Backup, okay, restore, file share, stop, services, etc. etc. Okay, now I am going to restore it. See how many backups are there? Only one backup. Now restore it. Okay, yeah, restoration point. At this moment we have only one file. See, this is the one. Okay, it is showing from last month. Okay, August 24th to 9th 7th. It is showing. So from this date to this date we have these many files. At this moment we have only one file. In real time, based on choosing the time, every day at least we will have one backup. Now okay. Okay, so do you want create new VM or restore any what is the standard hard disk and all? Okay, so replace the disk it is showing. Now I need to enter VM. Now restoration type, create new VM. What is the virtual machine name? You can provide same VM also, web server 09, or else you can provide VM 9. Okay, yeah, so resource group. I'm going to use .NET only. Virtual network, .NET hyphen virtual network. Subnet default. Okay, storage account is, see, this is the staging location. Here we require storage account. Why do we require? Can anyone tell me? Anyone? So generally storage account which stores the logs. Okay. So when there was some issues while booting up while restoring the VM, then all this information would be stored in where is the storage account. So it's a mandatory to associate storage account. See, I have my storage 2022-09-02. Last second, I have created the storage account. Okay, now restore it. Okay, so to perform backup, it has taken 1 hour 52 minutes as it is showing in recovery service vault. So to restoration, just it will take max 10 minutes, guys. Let us see. We will verify how long it will it take. Okay. Say deployment is in progress. We will wait for 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, now see here it is showing what jobs. Click on it. Yeah, did you observe? Yeah, web server restore completed. Okay, so 6 hours 22 minutes it is completed. Now go and check virtual machine. Okay, yeah, VM9 virtual machine subscription resource group location status Windows and public IP. See, desks are two. Let's see. Now click on it. Uh, Copy this IP. MSDS. Paste it. Connect. Okay, same. Cloud admin, SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Yes. Nice, right? See, everything has been restored. Whatever the items were there in desktop, everything it has been restored. Okay, if our thinking is correct, we have one directory, right, in C drive. Yesterday we triggered and pasted many files. So the our directory name is Azure. So Azure which has 1700 files around. See 1792. Okay, everything has been restored. No issues. So backup and restore operations is what? It will we can restore anytime, anywhere. See, we have C drive, temporary drive, S drive. S drive we have attached 4 GB. See, it is showing 4 GB. Okay, even in S drive we placed what? Two directories. Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure as again directory. It has 1700 files and Azure also has 1700 files. See, yeah, we will not lose even single character in the file. Okay, this is the safest operation which we can trigger the backup, and if something happened, we can able to restore it. Okay, yeah, clear. This is about what? How to trigger the backup in Azure VM. So far we discussed how to trigger the personal files and folders in on-premises. Next, second task we did how to perform backup and restore operations for VM in Azure. Okay. Yeah. Next thing is, as you know that already, we have one file share. What is that? File share. Okay. In the file share, we have directories, right? We have directories. How can we trigger the backup? How can we trigger the backup for file share? So for storage account, see, we have storage account, right? For storage account, we have four services. One is file share. Other one is what? Other one is blob containers. Third one is table storage. Fourth one is queue storage. So they haven't provided this option. Only they have provided, what is that? Backup option for file share. Okay, as you know that already file share is a service and it is used to store structured data. It also can be integrated with your local file system. It also can be integrated with what? FTP services and all on premises. Okay, yeah, that is good. Now what I will do now, go to storage account. Storage. Okay, yeah. Next, yeah, go to file share. So at this moment, we don't see any file shares. What I will do now, create file share. I am creating Microsoft. This is one, okay, Microsoft, delete. I will rename it, okay. Okay, Microsoft. Microsoft file share. Okay, create another file share. Azure file share. Okay, I created for our reference too. I will point it out only Microsoft file share. Okay, try to upload some files. Okay, under Microsoft file share, I am going to create two directories, Azure 1, next Azure 2. Okay, Azure 1 upload. Okay, two files I have been uploaded. Okay, yeah, uploaded. Close. Yeah, go to Microsoft file share. Azure 1, right? Yeah. Next, go to Azure 2. Here also try to upload some files. Yeah, upload. Close. Okay, yeah, fine. So I am pointing out only what? Microsoft file share where I have created Azure 1 and Azure 2, two directories, and each directory I have uploaded two files. Okay, So if required, I can also upload and root level 2 more files. Okay, I'm going to upload 2 more files. Yes. Okay, yeah, good. Now, the thing is, can I trigger the backup for this file share? Why not? Okay, yeah, first thing is, again, I'm telling Microsoft file share is the I am concentrating about it. Right now, Azure file share, I'm not going to trigger, just I created it. Okay, for our reference, I will upload one file, create VM. Okay, create VM. Okay, yeah, next. Now navigate to recovery service vault, my recovery service vault. Okay, backup items. See, the moment when I click on backup item, here it is showing what? These options. Okay, backup agent, virtual machine, these are all the things. Now click on backup agent. Okay, yeah, next. Sorry. So that has been installed on top of what? VM, not this one. Uh, Azure file share. Okay, click on Azure file share. Add. Okay, where is your workload running? Azure itself. This time I'm choosing Azure file share. Backup. Okay, yeah, select the storage account. See, storage accounts are not prompting. So let us wait 2 more minutes. Yeah, now it is prompting. Okay, now highlight, select, just select. Okay, yeah, now select storage account. Yeah, now here it is showing what? File shares to backup. So as you said, right, the storage account which contains 2 file shares. One is Azure, second one is which I created, Microsoft file share. So here I am pointing out. Now, that is important directly for me. So add all file shares. See, list of file shares are showing. Okay, now I am putting what? Microsoft Azure. If required, add this one as well. Okay. Okay, yeah. Next, backup policy. Edit the policy. My policy 1. So daily midnight 12 o'clock, it should trigger the backup. Okay, no issues. So this is storage account somewhere, right? You need, if you required, mention the time zone or else not required. As usual, these daily backups for 30 days. Okay, yeah, next, okay, enable backup. Okay, yeah, we trigger. So at every day midnight 12 o'clock, it will trigger the backup. So we cannot wait till midnight 12 o'clock. What I will do now, we will trigger the backup manually, right? So can I do that? Why not? Now go to backup items. Okay, yeah, see, this is what? Backup storage, yeah, Azure storage file share. See, backup count, how many file shares are there? Two. That's why it is showing count is two. Click on it. Okay, yeah. Now Azure file share, Microsoft file share. Which one would you like to trigger the backup? Microsoft file share. Okay, yeah, backup now. Yes, backup now. This will be available for 30 days, as I mentioned. 30 days in the sense, 10th. Today date is 9/7/2022. So next month is what? 10th month. I mean October 7th. Today, September 7th. 30 days. Okay, yeah. Now, okay. Okay, yeah, fine. Now have a look. This is what backup now. Okay, trigger the backup. Yes. So before triggering it, we are triggering the backup for only what? Microsoft file shares. Okay, yeah, backup now. Already it is triggered the backup. Second backup I am doing. So my intention is there it should shows at least two backups. So Microsoft file shares. Now go back and go to Azure file share this time. I am going to trigger the backup for one time. Backup now. Yes, backup now. Okay. Yeah, so it will take time to perform backup. At least it will take 2 minutes, even though our data is very low, right? Now close it, go and verify whether it has been completed or not. Okay, here we have backup items. Okay, yeah, so this is what Azure file share, click on it. Okay, so these are the file shares. Now go back again, backup jobs. See, so we triggered the backup two times, Microsoft file shares. Yeah, it's completed. Azure file share, yes, it's completed. Now what I will do now, go to storage account. Okay, yeah, navigate to, yes, this one, file share. Yeah, try to remove it, everything. Okay, I'm going to remove these files. Assume that accidentally I have deleted or something got corrupted in the file share. Delete it. So directories cannot be deleted directly. Why? Because it has some files. Okay, first delete the child files. I mean direct, yeah, files which are deployed under storage file share. Delete it. Now go on delete the file share. Okay, file share 2. Delete it now. Yeah, it has been deleted. Now go to Azure one, delete these files, delete, go back under now totally remove this directory as well. Remove this directory. Okay, yeah, fine. So nothing is there under Microsoft file share. See, it has been deleted. Now I am going to delete this one. Okay, yeah, delete this as well. File share. So what does it mean? We cannot delete what? File shares. Okay, under this file share, you can delete the files. Okay, why? Because locks are happening. When I try to delete it, see, it is showing locks is there for storage account. So what does that mean? Once backup is configured, locks will be there. No one can delete it. Even by chance, remove the lock and delete it. Okay, uh, then entire file share cannot be restored. Within the directory, whatever the data is there, we can restore it. Okay, that is well and good. So what does that mean? File share should be there. Under this file share, we can delete whatever you want, or it got corrupted, then immediately we can restore it. See, 5 TB, 5 TB, total 10 TB, it's occupied. Now navigate to recovery service vault, my recovery service vault, backup items, click on storage account. Okay, we have Microsoft file share. First, I will restore it. Yeah, restore share. Okay, where is that? See, two backups are there. In front of you, two times I trigger the backup. Which one would you like to trigger the backup restore? Last one. Okay. Original location. Yes, I want to uh, override existing one. First of all, no files are there. What is there to override? You can use same. What is that? Override if it is existing or else skip it. See. Okay. Now again go back and trigger the restoration for what? Azure. View details. Restore share. Yeah. Highlight. Yes. Restore it. Okay. Yeah. It is restoration is in progress. Close it. Go and check. Navigate to storage account. Okay. My storage. File share. So Azure file share. We have one file. Yes. So Microsoft file share, we have two directories, two files. See, two directories, Azure 1, Azure 2. Click on Azure 1, two files. Yeah, sorry. Azure 2, two more files. Okay, yeah, see, we have two files. So this is how we can implement disaster recovery in Microsoft Azure Cloud Computing. Okay, everything important. Don't skip any topic. Please practice it all these three. Why? Because something what will happen no? After updating some patches, your virtual machine will be corrupted. Okay, if it is corrupted, we have only two chance. One is raise the Microsoft case. Second one is what? Restoration. Okay, when you raise the Microsoft case, it will take at least 24 hours. Depends. Okay, even sometimes, why? Because to verify, analyze, provide the solution and all, minimum it will take 24 hours. Coming to restoration means immediately it will provide the resolution. If you want, why it got corrupted, and many reasons. Okay, many reasons in the sense updates might have not happened properly. Okay, so maybe previous any third party tools have been installed that might be causing the what is that corruption of the VM. Okay, or uh, restart spending. Okay, many reasons would be there to corrupt the virtual machine. 90% it won't happen if it's happen production environment. So this is the best solution I can say. Okay. Yeah, so for practice it, I covered everything. So next final topic in Azure admin is what is that? PowerShell. Okay, PowerShell. So PowerShell in Azure we will call it as Cloud Shell. See, this is the Cloud Shell. I have this is the Cloud Shell. So what is the Cloud Shell? What it contain? Okay, what it does have the features. So that we will see in next session. Okay, so it is very important. I can say this comes under IaaC. IaaC in the sense infrastructure as a code. Okay, so it is important how to automate the services in Azure Cloud that we will see in next session. Okay, so now we configure it. After practicing this, try to delete it, guys, or else this is high cost. For me itself, before creating this service, I have 5,000. See, within 2 days, 2,000, what is that? Credits are completed. Okay, so this is very important. How to delete this service? Directly highlight, and if I go and delete it, it won't accept. It will throw an error. So what should I do is I should clean up the backups. How to clean up the backups? Navigate to backup items. Okay, first I am going to remove the Azure virtual machine backup. View details. See stop backup. Okay, give some reason. Others. Okay, stop backup. Okay, yeah. So stop. It is in progress. Yeah, now it is showing delete backup. Okay, delete backup virtual machine is control V, control then region mention others. Okay, reason can be anything. You choose anything, no issues. Yeah, let it be in progress. Okay, yeah, now refresh. See, it is showing Azure Virtual Machine 0 count. Now go to file share. Just now we trigger, right? I'm going to disable it. Okay, stop backup, others. Okay, stop it. Now other thing, stop backup, others. Okay. So this is for your reference. Okay, in real time, anyhow, we won't perform this activity as you are using free trial, right? So before expiring the credits, okay, in timelines, just manage and try to delete these things so that your credits will be safe. Okay, yeah, refresh. Yeah, Azure file share is there. Now I am going to delete it. Delete the backup. First stop the backup and delete the backup. So finally you will be able to remove these services. Okay, delete backup. Delete it. Now refresh. Yeah, it's gone. The moment you refresh, now go and check here also it should show 0. Yeah, it is 0. Now we have agent backup. So delete it. Delete. Delete. Okay, one more thing is there. So view details. Delete it. Yeah, it's also deleted. Now go and refresh. See, once you make it 0 everything, then try to delete it. Let's see if you are facing any issues. Delete it. Okay, yes, confirm, delete. Still it is throwing an error. So there would be some registry keys that we will go and verify. Backup infrastructure, storage account. See, there is a storage account. It is mapped. So I am going to delete this one. Unregister. Okay, click on it. Now go and refresh. Backup items. Okay, now go and delete it. Yes. If it is delete, it would be good. So this is the process of how to delete this total recovery service vault. Yeah, it has been deleted. Do you see how much process is there to delete this service? Okay, so this is the way you can delete it. After practicing it, please try to delete it, or else whatever the credits are there, everything will be gone within 2 to 3 working days. Okay. Yeah. Okay, thanks for your time. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Tomorrow is very important topic called PowerShell, that we will call it as Cloud Shell in Azure. Okay, how to use Cloud Shell in Azure. Then we will go for Azure DevOps batch. Okay, clear? Nice. If you have any questions related to that, feel free and ask me. So you can unmute yourself. You can proceed with your questions.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir, excuse me. The question I want to ask is not even related to this. It's just like, probably you were saying this is the last one apart from like tomorrow will be probably the PowerShell will be the last topic. But I wanted to ask like is there no Azure Active Directory? You're not
Uh,
covering that.
Azure Active Directory. No, I haven't
I
covered. It will
believe it's
come.
an
It will come. It will come. Azure
okay,
Active
because I
Directory,
believe
did
it's
I
an
cover for your batch?
you haven't touched that,
Okay, no,
but I
no,
believe it's
right?
an
No,
Okay,
not yet.
yeah.
okay. So after PowerShell, we will touch that one. Azure Active Directory. Okay. AAD.
Okay.
Okay, sure,
Okay.
sure. Yeah, yeah. Okay, thanks for reminding me. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Have a good day. Tomorrow I'll connect back.